Welcome to the Story Video Maker tutorial. In this short demo, we're going to be going over the Story Video Maker and seeing how easy it is to make quick story video advertisements that you can use on your Facebook or Instagram stories. As you know, stories are pretty hot right now, as it gets a lot of attention from your followers, and then if your account is public, you get a lot of views from people who you might not even follow or be a follower yet. So it's a great way to advertise, your business or like a current promotion, which is what mainly we see our customers do. Like if you're a restaurant, you'd throw, some special, the special of the week, or a weekend special, for a certain dish, and it can transcend anything that you're involved in. So whenever like a promotional or like special occasion offer you have, you can advertise it using these story video ads, and it gets a lot of engagement. And you'll see when it's easy to make these story video ads using the Story Video Maker, you'll be able to make tons of these things, and you just get a lot more eyeballs looking at your business on Facebook and Instagram. So like all the other video makers in Video Jaguar, the home screen is going to be set up the same way. You'll see all the templates that we have laid out, and you can see there's 2 pages of templates. Same thing, you hover over it and starts showing you a little example of what the transitions and special effects of each one. So you basically are just looking for which transitions and effects you like, because everything can be customized. The text, the images, the colors, the music, it all can be customized for your brand and your business. So, if you don't see your company or your industry already made in one of these templates, don't worry, because you can make any customizations as you want. So for this example, we can say, let's say this is for a spa. And we'll go this one that says fried chicken, which is clearly for like a restaurant. So we'll click that. And we will click create video. My screen recorder is lagging a little bit, so please bear with me here. So, the video editor is going to be the same type of editor that you're familiar with already by using the Video Ad Maker and the Square Video Maker. So same ordeal. You're just going to come up here and name your project. We're going to say it's for a spa promo. And then click this image to change. And you'd obviously use your own images, but for this example, we're gonna choose some stock photography and the royalty-free photo libraries we have here. So let's say spa. Here we go. And we'll choose that. And so we see we have 15 characters here. It's a small little space on the left. So relax, or you can put whatever you want, but this is an example purposes. Let's try time for a spa day. And I'm not a spa owner, so I wouldn't really know what to write here for your business, but this is like I said, an example just to see how to, use this story video maker. We'll click the image again and go to another stock image. That's fine. Choose. And click next. And we can go to Unsplash, see what they have. Okay, let's do that. We'll choose it. Go next. Get another image. Here we can use, let's see, there's a nice one down here. And, you'll obviously probably be using images from your own business, and that's a great way to get it really customized. So, of course, then you're going to upload your own logo here, and obviously make sure it's transparent and around the recommended size guidelines. Then you can put, your URL here. Instead of buy now, you can say visit us today. Oh, well, see, that's one of the limitations, character limits of 12. So visit us. And let's say take 20% off by mentioning this ad. Okay, well, 34 out of 35. Just made the limit right here. But okay. Next, here was the colors. You can do whatever. These are predetermined colors here. You can see this is the left, that's the right. That's see green, some blues. Maybe whichever one you like. Or you can click custom colors to match your already predetermined colors on your website or logo, which, you just click that and then opens the color palette up, put your hex codes in. So we're not going to do that now. So click next. We're going to go to the music tab. Oops. And currently it has something preloaded. That's preloaded. Obviously, you can scroll down and go through the music library. You see that one's selected right now. You can click any of these if you like these ones. Then click the plus button and it adds it. If you have your own music, just go to this tab, upload your own, and click that upload audio. So you can upload your own music or company jingle, whatever you like. And after that, just click on next. And it is ready to start rendering. Just click start rendering. And don't worry about this image over here to the left because it's just what the template originally looked like. It's going to change after it makes it. So you say start rendering and the software will get to work and you don't have to do anything else. It's going to pop over to the projects tab where you'll see all your other past projects. And once it's done making the video, it will shoot you over an email, so you don't have to watch it or sit here and watch it. But it's really quick. It takes like 5 minutes or less. So you can see here we already made one for the moving company example. So see it says complete. You can click the pencil to make any other edits to it that maybe like you made a typo or just something doesn't look right, like the wording or it ran off or something. So Rare occasions like does the text not fit in the block or anything like that, but or the predetermined space. But that's why we can go back here and click that pencil button, and it's opens up the project from where you left off, and you can make a quick edit and don't have to make the whole thing over again. And of course, you can delete the project if you're done with it. You never want to see it again. But all the projects you'll make will be here and saved in this projects tab. So, and then to download it, you just click on it, and it'll pop open, and download button right here. So we're going to close that out. But yeah, so it's very easy to make these story video ads for Facebook and Instagram. You can make as many of them as you want. So, if you have a bunch of promotions, or if you want to just highlight different service areas of your company, you can just continually make more of these. And, if you like one template, you can just edit it for different promotions and just change one line or something like that, or change the percentage discount. So it's really, really easy, and will definitely help boost your engagement on social media, since you'll see, like, especially if your page is public, you'll see a lot of new people like looking at your story, and it's just a great way to also get them to swipe up, which on the stories, when people swipe up, obviously it goes to the link, goes to your business page. So all these templates usually have something at the bottom, like an effect telling people to swipe up. So it's great. It's really great for getting people to come to your website and boost your engagement on your social media page. So that's about it. If you have any other questions, just feel free to reach out to our support, and hope you enjoyed this demo. Thanks.